What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the bag install. We are here with the same crew.
I do that 21mm wrench.
Maybe on the other side. Nope. I don't see it, sir. Oh, 21 is up here.
Yep.
You know.
Thank you.
So we are back at it, fully recouped. I decided to make a 2-part video because the one part was 17 minutes long, almost flat 17 minutes. So when this video goes live, it'll be a Sunday or a Monday, probably a Monday. Because that's why I be messing with them.
Hey, I had to make that shit work.
Nah, you're good. But the reveal on Instagram is Sunday. So
That's how I feel about you.
at the Wolfgang meet. So I'm definitely excited for that. So we're going to be wrapping up everything right here. And hopefully these parts help you fellow Q60 owners with it. Oh, you want to tell them about the sway bar links? Hold on, let me flip it. All right. You want to walk them through how you did that sway bar? Just so that they know.
Take the sway bar off. It's a 17. No, I'm sorry. It's a 19mm wrench there, and then you got a 17 on the other side. Life is like a box of chocolates, and then you got a 21 here, and then I don't know. He had a 21 on the other side of this boat for some reason. That one right there. But
Yeah, I agree.
the other side is a 19, but if y'all do it, just take apart the end link. Take the end link completely off. Put the long bolt back in, and then put this back together, and everything should work.
Wow. Bro, crazy. I'm sorry for that, guys. Yeah.
Wow. That's why he don't let me record. Stop zooming in on my nose.
I didn't zoom in yet.
It felt, you already
Now I did.
I didn't zoom in yet.
Now I did.
I didn't zoom in yet. Oh God. Oh.
But nah, so just I don't know what that was. So another thing we're gonna get done today is this thermostat, because apparently mine just took a
Lord. Oh no.
apparently mine just took a poop in a sway bar. This is Z1's sway bar. He's just doing that on purpose now.
No way. I thought you were
There you go. Boost the 6 catch cans. Love it. And then, yeah, so got a couple stability mods. This car's going to feel like a completely new car. I can't wait to see that outside. I want to see that outside. But, all right, boys and girls. See y'all in a few.
Oh, you said all right, boys and girls. I thought you was done.
We may or may not get these side skirts installed. It just depends on how time is and how the thermostat goes after we get all this together. So, all right, guys. All right, boys and girls. We ran all the lines. Well, Lamont did.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And now we're about to see how that fitment look. And we go down. You can already see that it's tucking. Ooh. Sheesh. Oh, yeah, that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
What wheel? What wheel?
I say, what will?
What wheel?
If it don't tuck, it don't buck.
Look at the rear. Oh, yeah. Sorry, sir.
You're back in the kitchen room for the small.
I know, right? Look at that. Oh, my God.
Gotta put some 8s on this bike.
Yeah.
Put some 28s on her.
Definitely got to do a more aggressive, because the rear is going to get a 10.5 after my discussion with my boy Shock. But, yeah, that is tough. I was scared. I'll admit. I admitted it before. What do you mean?
You done admitted like 25.
Yes. I was scared because I was like, man, it's not going to clear nothing. But I should have went. I could have did 10.5s all around. No, not going to lie. So when I get my show setup going, I'm going to be cooking. Man, I hate them. Anyways, so we ran all the lines, got the front, got the rear. So now this part, we just gotta figure out the wiring, where we're gonna mount everything. We know where we're gonna mount the compressors, the air tank, the management, and all that. We just need to figure out the wiring aspect of it, because the remote it got to get to the cockpit of the car, because I got a nice little piece to go for it. So we got to see how that works out. But other than that, the hard part's over for the most part. So now we just got to put it all together, the interior wise. So the car is going to be on all fours and go from there.
And Amari, next weekend, he will be doing meet and greets.
No.
We will be doing meet and greets. You guys are allowed to bring like one car part each. He will like do a signature and everything.
That's crazy.
Where you're able to take pictures. Look at his cars. He'll be able to show you his builds personally.
This man's struggling.
So you see the POV.
Yeah. $20 to ride passenger in the Q60.
They crazy. They crazy. They cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
It'll be funny, man.
They might want it. You changing up on your face?
Nah, I ain't changing up. It's just I'm not that popular.
Wow, you ain't got no loyalty.
Amari Jones. Dang.
This Shock's first time seeing it. He said he had to point that out.
Dang. He's low. Oh yeah, he's losing this look in like 3 weeks.
He said in 3 weeks. It's crazy. I need to get a new front lip anyway. That shit. That lip's already broke.
It's not cooking. You just got it on top. It's not cooking. You didn't bring it.
Yeah, he missed that memo.
Yeah, I should have been working.
That's why when you were doing it on this side, I was like, please stop. I was like that in my head. Nah. But all right, guys. So let's see how we're gonna tackle the inside. We got to take apart the inside. Huh?
You ain't got no other choice but to start cleaning your cars now.
Oh,
you ain't
yeah.
got no other choice but to start cleaning your cars now.
I'll admit, I've been abusing this car. Haven't gotten a car wash in a while. Because it's neglecting, abusing. Same thing. Abuse, neglect. Hey, that's rude.
See, he's making jokes. I highly doubt it.
You got a Q60, y'all. And for the people that want the Malibu, I'm sorry. He doesn't mess with it like that anymore. But
That's crazy.
It is for sale with the tune.
No.
20 grand.
no, he's definitely selling for 7.5.
Yeah.
20 grand. He got
7.5, maybe 10.
horses in.
Maybe 10 if I'm lucky.
Yeah,
No.
7.5 goes like.
Yeah. Nah, the car's not for sale. Mama Bird's still using it, so the car's not for sale. Sorry, guys.
Man.
And it may not get sold. It makes a good daily.
Dateable?
Yeah, daily-able daily.
You got it
I
daily.
mean, you already said after a while, the Eclipse going to be the deal.
Yeah. What? No.
He just agreed.
No.
He just
No, I did not say
Got him.
that. We were talking hypothetical.
Just agreed.
Because if I want more than 500 horsepower on this car, the Q60 and Q50 owners know the only way to really get that is a high pressure fuel pump and bigger turbos. So with that being said, once you do those combos, you could go for 1,000. So we were talking about hypothetically speaking, this car makes 1,000. Is going for it.
DEUSCH.
Deech works.
Something like that.
Deech works.
Yeah, I'm going with
Deech Works. That's what it is. Deech Works.
Yeah.
Works.
Yeah, Deech Works.
I didn't know the word exactly.
No, you're
Deech,
good.
Dosh works.
I just know
Yeah.
it ends with works.
All right, guys. I'm ending this clip. It's 6 minutes long. Sheesh. So, guys, funny story. We were absolutely trapped in here, but we forgot about the emergency latch. But we came back from taking a break, shut the door, absolutely lost power. We lost all power. Yeah. So we didn't even think about that. So we were sitting.
That's why I'm like elevators. The elevator's smaller.
That's so funny. But yeah, so we're just running the wires now.
That's why he like
Get to the back
on Providence
because we need power in the ground. All right, guys. So day 3 of bagging a Q60. Lord have mercy. So I got a lot of information for y'all. I'm gonna take it out. Right now it's on a high setting. We still gonna dial in the fitment, but it was crunch time and we weren't even supposed to be working on this car today. We were supposed to only be working on it for today. But you're good. No, you're good. Ooh. Oh, you just got to push the mirror. Push it with your hand. Oh no. There you go. Fitment. A lot better. Ooh. I'm gonna have to raise that front up. Because right now, it looks like you're like this.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, back.
Be careful.
One thing, but the front.
Yeah, that front's gonna have to raise up.
The back raises the front.
That front's gonna have to come up.
Yeah, the back will raise the front. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
telling you. When you raise the back,
I got you. I got you. Ooh. Ooh. That looks good. You want to air out? Press the very last button. Press and hold. No, the bottom. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5, press and hold. We gotta trim that exhaust, but ooh, and the rear is still going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That looks good. Oh my God. Hey, Mom. Ooh. Yes, sir.
Like a low profile tires getting down on the ground.
Yeah, get a little stretch tire going. Maybe a little wider in the front. Yes, sir. So let me wrap up. This man spilled cookies in my passenger seat, so I'm about to vacuum. I needed to vacuum anyway, so I ain't tripping. Yes, sir. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy it. If y'all give me 1 second, I'ma put all that together. So I'll give y'all the rundown. Let's start off with your first thoughts on the Q60. It looks good. You like it? So she was driving this. I know y'all see all 3 cars here. Mom and the family are in the Malibu, and then I got the Eclipse out. We had a Wolfgang meet that we went to, so we took both cars out, all 3 actually. But so long story short, with the air struts in the front, we were having an issue where it wasn't airing up. The control arm, we lowered it like a normal shock. You would lower like coilovers and all that. We lowered it, but we had to extend it because I guess the way the control arm is. So all of that said and done, we were able to finish the Q60, boys. Definitely looks good. Can't wait to get the body work done. Can't wait for it to get wrapped. But yeah, it's in there. Fitment week still. I don't know if y'all can see that. Fitment week. I could get the wheels poked out a lot, but fitment looks good. Uh-oh. What's she about to say?
Gotta, like, sit down and eat.
You have to sit down and eat.
I mean,
We can sit. We can sit.
the boys don't want to because Jakar don't want nothing. He be getting on my nerves.
Okay.
I take him home.
But
Don't videotape
but
that.
guys,
Cut
it's
that
too late.
out.
Too late. Too late.
My
It's in there.
son.
It's in there. It's in there.
He's just so picky.
It's in there. But yeah, nah. I thought you saw me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I thought you saw me. The camera's like this. It's not often I have it out like this.
That's like,
But yeah, guys, both of these beautiful, all three machines have a great story. Different love for them all. But basically, guys, thank you for getting this far in the video. I'm coming. Dang, I gotta close out this video. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for 2,500 subscribers. That's a lot. That's a pretty view. But all right, guys, peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's keep running the subscribers up and the likes up. So peace out.